Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the PSN servers are down error code. Now for this error code specifically, there isn't really much you can do other than just go into Google, type in PlayStation Network servers, and once this page pops up, if it says all services are up and running, then you guys are good to go and you will be able to play. You don't really have to do anything. The most you guys can do is simply just log out of your Wi-Fi and then log back in. However, if this does say if servers are down or something like that, and there's a red here, that means you guys are not going to be able to play no matter what fix you do. There is no workaround until this is a check and it says all services are up and running. So whatever time and day you're watching this video, just go into Google on your phone or your desktop. Just type in PlayStation Network servers, and if it's a green check, then you guys are good to go. You will be able to play. However, if it's not, if it's a red, then there's nothing you can do other than wait. So, if it's green and it's for some reason still isn't working, you can just reset your console, and you can also just, log out of your Wi-Fi and then log back in and try to check if that helps fix the issue. But other than that, that should basically be it. You can just perform a reset, and yeah, that's basically it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.